General Camper may contain hilarious content.
How old are you? 17.
How long have you been 17?
4 months.
I know what you are. You're always smiling, singing, laughing all the time. You're sunburnt. And sometimes it seems like you're really tired. I know what you are.
Say it. Out loud. Say it. No, not it. Say what I am.
A YL.
Are you afraid?
No.
Come with me.
Okay.
Look at me. I'm the oldest girl out here. You can't eat without me.
I want to be like you. Should we into one?
Not tonight.
Why? I'm ready.
No. Maybe in 5 years, but no. You still have too much to learn.
Wait, don't leave me.
I have to go.